Show them this beat without a beat. Period.
Hey guys, it's Serena. In today's video, I'm going to be filming a get ready with me, like a fall kind of makeup look for going out, you know, or whatever. I really hope you enjoy this video. Be sure to follow me on all my social media sites. They will be linked down below. And before you guys leave this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also click those bell notification buttons before you guys watch the video. And let's just get started. Hey guys, so first I'm going to be starting out with my Morphe 3502 palette and taking those two brown shades and putting them in my crease with a ColourPop blending brush. And also, you guys, this video isn't more so of a tutorial, it's more of a get ready with me because I was going out that night for my friend's birthday dinner. So yeah, it's not really a tutorial. I tried to make the eye part really slowed down so you guys can see what I'm actually doing, just in case you wanted to do a tutorial for the eyes. But yeah, the face part is a little bit more sped up, so just keep that in mind. Now I'm taking this other brown shade from the 3502 palette and putting that one in my crease with a Morphe brush. All the products will be down below in the down bar as well, just in case you guys were wondering. And also, you guys, my best friend slash cousin will be popping up a lot in this video. His name is Sage, so I want to introduce y'all to him in the video because, you know, that's my partner in crime. He came over to get ready with me to go to the dinner for our best friend's birthday. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know in advance, just in case you don't know who he is. And I'm just taking the Born This Way concealer from Too Faced and putting that on my lid with a Morphe flat brush, and I'm just going to be applying that as a base. I'm not really cutting my crease for this look because I kind of want it to be a little bit more laid back. So I just took the color, the little light kind of brown color from the Morphe palette, and just set my lids with that. You guys don't have to make the like crease part of it like a cut crease. I kind of just, you know, patted the concealer on there and called it a day. Then for the outer edges, I'm just taking that dark kind of brown color in the bottom right hand corner and putting that on the outer edges of that light color just to blend it in. So I'm kind of tapping it down first, then blending out the outer edges just so it doesn't look too harsh. Then I didn't have a black in my palette because it broke, so I'm taking the ABH Soft Glam palette, and I'm taking a small Morphe brush and taking the shade Noir, I believe, the black shade in the palette, and just putting it on the outer edges. I wanted to make it a little bit more smoky and deeper because it was kind of like a Friday night out, so your girl went all out. So this is me deciding if I want to apply eyeliner or not, and you guys know I decided to apply some. So I'm taking the NYX Matte Black Liquid Liner, and I'm not winging it out, surprisingly. I kind of wanted to showcase the smoky eye, so I'm just taking it on that first part and layering on the top, not making a wing, and then I'm going back into that Noir black shade from the Soft Glam palette, and I'm taking it and putting it on the outer edge and kind of blending it upwards towards the brown shades. Don't take it too high up, but just kind of blend it enough just so you get the depth of the look, and just smoking it out just to blend it with the outside of that liner. So you guys will see what I'm talking about. So these are the eyes all done before lashes. Cute. Now onto the face, I'm taking my Glam Glow moisturizer and putting that all over to prep. Then I'm going in with my Too Faced Hangover RX primer and putting that on as well. The face part is sped up, as I said before, just because, you know, the eyes were kind of more important. Then I'm taking my NARS Natural Radiant Foundation and putting that baby on and just blending it in with my Sigma brush. I'm taking my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch and just putting that in the places I like to conceal. Then I'm taking my MAC and Patrick Starrr collab powder and putting that in all the places that I just concealed just to set. Do you want to say hi to my video?
To your video?
Yeah.
Just like I wasn't just in it.
It's right there, bitch.
Y'all gotta bear with me. Show them this beat without a beat. Period. Why is you recording? You just got everything I said on there.
Oh no, I'm not gonna put that in there. Only the good part.
Bitch was documenting me.
Alright y'all, so now to set the rest of my face, I'm taking my L'Oreal Mercier dark setting powder and I'm just putting that all over my face to set. Then I'm taking my Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil bronzer and I'm putting that all on my cheekbones, my forehead, and chin and jawline. Basically everywhere. I love bronzer. And then I'm just going to be contouring my nose with it as well. Then I'm taking my Abh Bronzer in the shade Cappuccino, I believe, and just taking it on a smaller kind of contour brush and putting it in the hollows of my cheeks for a little bit more depth. Then I'm just taking some random setting powder and cutting the sides of my nose just to make it a little bit more snatched, and then also doing that to my lower cheeks just to make it snatched so my jawline looks a little bit more, if you know what I'm saying. So now I'm going to be doing the lower lash line off camera, and then I'm just taking my Perversion liner from Urban Decay and putting that in my waterline only halfway though. I'm taking my Ardell 231 lashes. I stacked them into two, so then yeah, they look a little bit more better. So there's two lashes on there. And then I'm just putting on some MAC blush. Then I'm taking my Abh Ultimate Glow Kit and taking the shade Sunray and spraying my brush a little bit and putting this on. I literally love this highlighter, y'all. It's so beautiful. I love it. And it's discontinued, I'm sorry, but I love it. And I'm really sorry, guys, I forgot to film the lip portion, but all the products I used on my lips will be down below in the down bar if you guys are curious. I just forgot to film it. I'm so sorry, but yeah. Then to add on a little bit more highlight, I'm taking the Artist Couture and Jackie Aina collab in La Peach. What a bad bitch. Alright guys, this is the end of my kind of fall get ready with me going out makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun filming, and yeah. But before you guys leave this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and click those bell notification buttons so you're notified every time I post a video. And also follow me on all my social media sites. They will all be linked down below, as well as the end card of this video as well. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in my next one. Alright, bye guys! Sage, come in for the bloopers!
Stop playing, because I'm ready for all the ratchetness and activities. I love doing ratchet shit.
I'm cute, bitch.
She made that back move. Damn. She made the titties move. Damn. I made the city move. Like, whoa. I made the city move.
Bitch.
Let's have sex. What? Not without the foreplay. Okay, cool.
Man, it's so good.
I'ma remind you about that
Period that I be doing with my
time.
I'ma come through with that reminder.